Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum, and giving you a very warm good morning today. Again, I have come in front of the camera to explain about the digital platform that we have given the name Smart Consortium. Of course, this is a digital platform which has already been told in previous videos, and I have explained why we have opened this channel a Smart Consortium. Though after this uploading of the video, you will be knowing that this name has been changed considering the root level workers in this platform as well, to train them up, to educate them about the rules regulations of labor law, at the same time the behavior pattern which we will be explaining in this platform. That's why after creating this channel Smart Consortium, we thought that myself also came forward that the name should be Smart Garments Kormee. Accordingly, it has been changed. Before I go to the main chapter, main discussion, as I was telling in Bangla, that I must explain about myself, from where I have come at this level, from where I have got the education, institutional education. I would like to express something about that, about my school, about my colleges, university. I studied at Shonaranga, Khulna. The name of the school is the name of the primary school is Khulna Pre-Cadet School. And then after I studied in Khalispur, it is the SSC level education it was, and I passed SSC from Rotary School under Jashore Board of Bangladesh. After this, I got admitted in the college which we know as the Government Azam Khan Commerce College. Only two colleges in Bangladesh we have, one is in Chittagong and one is in Khulna, and I studied over there. After that, I came at my beloved University of Dhaka, and I studied my BBA and MBA, majoring in MIS. Then I got the opportunity to enter in my career life. I started with the internship at Bioletics Group. It was located at Tesgaon. At that time, in the year 2003, I can remember. After that, I got a call from my teacher, my honorable teacher, Dr. Muhammad Moeen, and he was my teacher as well as the first employer of my career. I joined with HR Textile, a concern of Pride Group. After that, I worked over there every small department to understand the composite knit garments and the total textile industry, how the process is being done, how the production department works for this, and other departments are being coordinated. After that, I joined with BKMA. Another journey started for auditing the factories of RMG of Bangladesh, which is a 100% export-oriented industry, and we know that this is the second largest in the world in terms of export volume. Dear viewers, I was telling you, yes, after that I joined with several organizations. I can name EPIC Group. It is located EGMCL. It is a venture of EPIC Group. It is located at Adamji Export Processing Zone area. It is the organization which is very renowned in our garments industry. We all know EPIC Group, and I can remember the name Mr. Belayat, who is now the vice president, probably the president at this moment of EPIC Group. And then I also can remember my teacher, the name of my teacher and employer, as I told you, very nice man, and at the same time I must remember the name of the chairman EPIC Group, Mr. Ranjum Matani, absolutely fantastic and nice man in this industry. Probably all of us we know of him, And I also would like to remember while I was working with the same, even on the same platform with Rafiq Bhai of BGMEA, we know. At the same time, I would like to remember many of my well-wishers. Of course, I cannot forget the name of the then President Mr. Fazlul Haq, who helped me a lot. Apart from him, I must remember other people who have contributed to develop my career in this line. Why I'm talking? Because if I forget these names, it should not be wise, and it should not be the absolute work for me. I must remember before I go to work, any development work, I remember all these names in my life. Dear viewers, yeah, of course, after this I started the next journey and worked for Fakir Apparels, Kormee Group. At the same time, I am currently working with E Square Group, and this is a venture of L Square. It is a venture of E Square Group, and this company is absolutely green factory, LEED Platinum certificate holder. And I would like to close for this time today, and would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please continue subscribing on this so that you can get another video very quickly, very easily, and I believe this will help you to develop your career and the business knowledge and business expansion of this industry. Thank you.